Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a color palette that you can use within your ConfigMgr reports. Let's get started. So before we actually get started into doing our color palette, I strongly encourage you to talk to your marketing and your web teams. They likely already have a color palette and how each of the colors are supposed to be used. Your best bet is just to start there first and leverage it. That way you've got consistent looking reports with what your marketing team does and what your web team does. If you don't have one, like I don't, then move on to this section. So I'm going to move off to the Adobe website here. You can get the link in the associated blog with this. And then I'm literally just going to drag the Ask Garth logo on here. And we can quickly see what are all the colors that are associated with. So what you end up doing is grabbing all of these colors, and you can then put this into SSRS. So I'm going to do that and I'll come back in a second. I'm back. What I did is to take this black color and make that the primary header color, and then I decided this blue color should be the secondary header color. So I put that into the report, and let's take a look at what its results look like. We can see that the black color looks fine. There's nothing wrong with it. However, the blue color is a little too light for things. So this is where we need to come off and look at additional colors. Now, there's a couple of ways that we can do it. We can go on to the color and we can go bright, muted, deep, dark, none. We can go back to the colorful. We can also go off to our color wheel, and we can pick any of these colors because they're all within the same family. But within the color family, we get the colors as listed, but we can also go off to each of these colors, and we can pick any of them that we like. And what I'm looking for is probably a darker blue that's in there. So something like this, 30, 70, this color is probably appropriate. So let's go off, and I'll just do this one live on here. I'll go back to my design. I'll pick this report. And if I've done this right, I should be able to. If I've done this right, I should be able to just paste the color in place and go view. I'm going to also bold that just to make it a little bit more. And you can see that the color differential now is not that bad. There's a little, there's more cleanup to do on this, as in the text size and whether I center it and all the rest of that stuff. But the point of this is to show you that you pick the colors that look. There's no way around it that you have to go through and try them out. Just because a color looks right, looks nice, it's not until you put it into a report that you'll see whether or not it actually works nicely. Anyways, with that, I want to thank you for watching this video. Again, thank you for watching this video. I want to remind you to subscribe to this YouTube channel. This way you can stay up to date on all the latest content as it's being released. There's a lot of exciting blogs and videos coming out, particularly around colors and Power BI reports. Those will be coming out in the days and weeks to follow. I'd also remind you that all of the content associated with this video is on the Ask Garth site, and you can get all the associated links from that site. Don't forget to subscribe over there so you can get the content as well. Until next time.